Are you ready to revolutionize your streaming experience? In this video, we'll guide you through setting up IPTV Stream Player, the best IPTV provider, with just a few easy steps. First, download the IPTV Stream Player from your device's App Store. It's completely free and works seamlessly on devices like Fire Stick, Windows, and even browsers.
I am waiting for a bus at the end of the night, under street lamp, red face flame by the light.
Next, open the app and enter your IPTV playlist URL. This is crucial for access to your favorite channels. If you've got an M3U file, you can upload that directly, making the process even smoother. Now, let's talk about optimizing your settings. Go to the Settings menu and adjust the video quality based on your internet speed to avoid buffering. Common mistakes include neglecting to test your playlist. Always ensure your URLs are active.
I am waiting for a bus at the end of the night, under street lamp, red face flame by the light.
Lastly, if you ever face issues, check your internet connection or restart the app. Ready to dive in? Discover why 2TV Store is hailed as the best IPTV provider. Link in the description. Happy streaming!